What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to break down the massive supernova SPI and give you my thoughts on it going forward. In the morning, I was looking at a potential entry on this ticker. I wanted this to break out over the pre-market high convincingly, retest that level as support. However, it was a bit choppy this morning, and this was kind of just a product of how the market's been the past 2 months. So the entry here would have been on this pre-market high level at around 4. However, it was getting a little choppy with how the market's been. It looked like the volume was going to bleed out, and I just didn't have the confidence to enter and take the risk. And I missed out on an amazing run. I probably would not have held this until 14 or whatever it's going to rip to now. But this was a really nice opportunity. And what I did point out in the chat this morning was that I would not be shorting this. So I pointed out 21 million, and it was, I think, 23 million by the open volume pre-market, not touching on front side total suicide. So this was a very, very crowded ticker. The only potential play I was looking at was a sort of momentum shift consolidation breakdown here in the afternoon. But instead of breaking down, it squeezed even farther, and that's kind of a product of there being short sellers trapped at 5, kind of keeping this thing up, and more short sellers being trapped in these 7s. And as you can see here, this thing is continuing to squeeze. It's up 1,300%. The sky really is the limit. The percentage when it comes to shorting does not matter. I mean, this thing can go to 2,000%, 3,000%, as long as shorts are being stubborn and holding and getting blown up. This is going to continue to rip. And when you have something, trading 25 million shares pre-market, it's really suicide to go short on the front side of the move. So like I said, the only play is the backside, and I'll be looking for this for a potential short tomorrow, depending on where it ends up. And most likely I will not be touching this today, even if it breaks down, just because there's so many shorts trapped in this, and they'll be likely providing for a lot of support for the stock. But anyhow, that's my analysis on this ticker. If you guys are interested in joining my free chat, check it out. I think this supernova is very, very good for the small cap sector. It's been dead for the past 2 months, and it should bring about some nice sympathy plays tomorrow and for the weeks to come. Anyhow, hope you guys learned something from this, and see you in the next video.